I woke up early today. I mean, earlier, 1 hour. But I feel like we are reaching the end of the year and I still haven't perfected my routine. So by waking up 1 hour earlier, let's see the changes I feel by the end of the day. Let's start the day with the workout that a friend of mine actually recommended. And yeah, let's go. It is very common for us to feel the pressure to keep up with everything, to always be productive, to be on top of things. But the truth is, at least for me, sometimes I'm not feeling productive, inspired, worth even. I want to feel great by the end of the day in order to look back on it and understand what I can change about my routine to make me feel better and motivated. So let's just start the day with a huge latte because it's Monday. We need that extra boost. Today was a crazy day, so I hope you stick around to see everything that happened. Also, remember, you are more than enough and productivity is very subjective. So just do you. I hope you enjoy. Good morning, guys, and welcome to a productive day in my life. I'll probably already introduce the video, but now I'm here talking. I just wanted to wish you all the best, and I just want to say also that me doing this is not meant to pressure anyone to be productive. I decided to just push myself to do something new in the beginning of the day in order for me to also feel new, if that makes any sense. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and perhaps at the end of the day, if I do feel improvements, I shall continue this routine. I really loved it. It was very difficult to wake up. I'm liking it so far. Very peaceful. And that's exactly what I wanted and needed. Now that I started my day with this self-care morning routine, I feel so much better to work. I feel more balanced, more connected, and I feel ready to start working. I have a lot of things to get done, especially because it's Monday, and so I have to do everything that I have to do. Starting with posts from my client. The way that I organize these is that I have these two notebooks for random clients that appear but are not something stable throughout the time, or just to brainstorm, to quickly take notes. And then I have these notebook with dividers for my clients that are monthly clients. So something much more stable, and it's great for me to have this, and this is a life hack to just have everything related to each client in its separated space. So much better, and helps me a lot to focus and to know exactly where to go for information, for the to-do list, for, I don't know, specific detail regarding the client. So now, as I previously probably mentioned, I'm not sure, we are going to start off by creating content for the clients. Now I'm just going to do some posts, copies and stories, and we're going to start tackling everything that we have to. I want to be more productive today, and I want to really focus on getting work done. So I'm glad I'm filming, because sometimes when filming I just have this need to be even more productive, or I don't know, to stop the negative and unproductive thoughts, if that makes any sense. So let's go. You guys! So a crazy thing just happened. A while ago, I think it was May, I entered this contest with one of my colleagues slash friends from university. It is a contest that it was worldwide, and the contest was basically a creative competition. Today, after a while, the results came back and we won, and I'm so excited. It's such a huge thing. It was a massive competition for a massive institute, and the fact that we won, I'm so happy. It gave me such a boost for today. I'm so happy. I just wanted to share and have it on my channel, this little achievement, and it makes me so happy. By the way, I just had lunch. It is now almost 1, and I'm drinking my second coffee of the day. I'm trying to reduce, but I love the morning coffee, morning latte, and then the after lunch coffee. I'm such a Portuguese when it comes to these, but this is a habit that I have that I love and appreciate, and just makes me so happy to drink my coffee after having lunch here alone. I'm still processing everything that has happened over the last few minutes, but we're good. Oh my god, I kind of feel nauseous. In the last vlog, I shared with you that I was not in the great creative headspace and mental space related to my work, the things that I'm producing. I just feel like I can do better, but I don't allow myself to do better somehow now. Having these now, I feel it's just like a sign for me to believe in myself and push through all of these negative thoughts. I'm so happy. Lisbon. Let's surprise my mom and everyone there. And I have everything that I need to work because it's pretty early, and so I still need to work, but I'm working there. This is the fit. Also love the jacket I showed you on my latte talks and fall haul. This is from Pool. I loved it so much. It's this oversized jacket, and then I'm just wearing these kind of high-waisted but not so high-waisted jeans with this cropped shirt, and then my Converse, of course. And we're going to Lisbon. Now we are shopping because my boyfriend has a thing that he has to go to tomorrow morning, and we need some clothing, and we are here. We are at H&M now. And yeah.
Know what happens when the world ends. At least this is an okay barn for running into you. It's an awful house, and I wanted to get you out. I'm working on a plan right now to come through. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down. Oh, nothing feels the same without you now. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down.
Hey guys, so it is already nighttime and we are doing these skincare prep because me and my boyfriend are going to be doing face masks today. Got this from Normal, which is a store that just opened up here in Portugal. I don't know if it's something like worldwide, but we just have these face masks. But first, before applying the face mask, I'm just going to clean my face with some micellar water and these reusable pads from Garnier as well. I love the Garnier line, like their skincare for me, it's incredible. I have these pack of face masks that I love. I love this little pack, it's just incredible. But today we are trying out these ones and it's going to be very fun. But first, let's take off the makeup.